Good morning to all. In continuation to earlier class that we have done the physical quantities and the units. So in today's class we will learn about the system of units and the SI units. So there are number of system of units and these system of units are actually three system of units are there. One is CGS, and second is FPS, and third one is MKS system. So some of the popular system of units are CGS, FPS, and MKS, and nowadays the system of units which is SI unit is running. So today we will discuss the all the system one by one. And so the system of units. So number one, CGS system. In this system the fundamental unit length is measured in centimeter, and mass and time are measured in gram and second respectively. And the FPS system length is measured in foot, and mass and time are measured in pounds and second respectively. So this FPS system is also known as British system. So 1 feet equal to 12 inch, and that is equal to 30.14 centimeter also. And 1 pound, that is the unit of mass, and that is equal to 453, or we can say around 450 gram. And the third system of unit is MKS unit, and in this MKS unit length, mass and time are measured in meter, kilogram and the second respectively. Units of these three systems are interchangeable, so we can change that this in MK system a mass is measured in kilogram, so it can be convert in gram also, and that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, and 1 gram equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. Now what is the SI system? So this is the SI system is the system which is accepted globally, or we can say this SI system is now used everywhere in the each and every corner of the world. If we want to understand or read about the SI system, that what is the SI system, then the in 1971 the scientists all over the world experienced the necessity of this system, that which can be accepted globally or for the research point of view and the trade and the commerce, so that this system of unit is same in all over the world. So for the in this general conference, for this purpose was organized on the weight and measurement in 1971, and this in this conference the new system of the units and their proper symbols are and the abbreviations were proposed and they accepted internationally, and this system is called SI system, which is an abbreviation for System International D Units. So this System International D Units is the SI system. So the fundamental units in the SI system and their definitions are uh, different are given, and these are the basic definitions. So we know that there are 7 fundamental units, and the meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, candela, and mole. So we can say, although the definitions are given in this video, I take a screenshot also, but and these can be read out actually, but I am also here emphasizing these units. Meter. What is the meter? The meter is the length of the path traversed by a light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299792458 of a second. And now the kilogram. So 1 kilogram is the mass of a cylinder made of a platinum and iridium alloy kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sivers near Paris in France. And the third one is second. The 1 second is the duration of 9,192,631,770 periods of the radiation, corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom. So these definitions are given. Actually, these are the standard definitions. So you can also read from the book also. So now the fourth one is ampere. The 1 ampere is that value of current which, when maintained in two straight, thin and parallel conductors of infinite length and placed 1 meter apart in vacuum, would produce between these conductors a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter of length. So fifth, Kelvin. So 1 Kelvin is the fraction 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water, and the triple point of water is that temperature at which the three state of water, means ice, water and water vapor, exist simultaneously, and so 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273.16 Kelvin. And the sixth one is the candela. So 1 candela is the luminous intensity of a source in a given direction is monochromatic radiation of a frequency, so 540 into 10 to the power 12 hertz, and that has a radiant in that direction of 1683 watt per steradian. And the mole. So what is the mole? The 1 mole is that amount of substance which contains as many entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon. So carbon 12. Now the what are the definitions of the supplementary physical quantity and their units? So we know that there are two supplementary physical quantities. One is plane angle, and the second is uh, second is solid angle. So what is the plane angle? The plane and the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at its center is called a plane angle. So it is the ratio of arc AB and the radius R. So we can see from this figure also that this in the circle, this R is the radius, and this A to B, this is the arc AB, and the angle is theta. So theta is equal to AB upon R, and the SI unit of a plane angle is radian. So what is the this unit radian? So 1 radian is can be defined as the plane angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of a circle, and we know that the total plane angle subtended by a circle at its center is equal to 2 pi radian. Means the 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. So when the 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian, or then 1 degree equal to 2 pi upon 360, or we can say that 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So 1 degree equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 second. So second, now the solid angle. This is the second supplementary physical quantity. So what is solid angle? The solid angle is an angle subtended by a given or observed surface area of a spherical surface at its center is called a solid angle. So if we look at this picture given in this uh, uh, screen, so you can say that this O or this ds is the spherical surface area which is observed or observed or uh, subtended at the center of the sphere center of the sphere. So and r is the radius of this sphere. So we are taking this ds is the observed or subtended area, and the this d omega is the solid angle. So this is equal to ds upon r square. So now what is ds? This is the subtended area, and r is the radius of the this sphere. Here this r square is the area. Actually this r is equal to r is the radius, and this is equal to the of side of this area of the spherical space which is subtended at its surface. That's why this is equal to ds upon r square. So when ds is equal to r square, then this solid angle is equal to 1 steradian. So if now we can define this solid angle mathematically, we can define that what is the 1 steradian. So 1 steradian is the solid angle subtended at the center of the sphere by a surface of a sphere equal in area to that of square having side equal to the radius of the sphere. So I think it is clear to you. Read at you have to go through this matter at home, and if you find any problem, then tell me in the next class. So thanks.